Hi traders, nice to meet you here again on my channel. Recently I noticed several comments under my previous videos where some traders asked me to dismantle the core 5 mistakes every beginner should avoid starting making a living from trading. I decided to make a new video on this topic. Watch till the end because it will save you time browsing YouTube searching for dozens of general tips. Moreover, I will share with you the information on choosing a reliable broker never facing fraud. Subscribe to the channel because here you can suggest your ideas in the comments on each video and I will produce content for you to answer your questions. It was uneasy to select the most significant mistakes, but I managed to select 5 most important. If you avoid them, for sure you will earn from trading regularly. Ignoring risk management. Risk management is crucial in binary options trading, but many beginners overlook this aspect and trade with money they cannot afford to lose. This can lead to blowing up the account and losing all their capital. Establish a rule for maximum amount to risk on a single trade, typically between 1 to 5% of your total trading capital. If you reach a limit, just stop trading and take it easy. Tomorrow there will be new opportunities to recoup your loss. Relying on luck or emotions. Some beginners may think that trading is based on luck or purely emotional decisions rather than following a disciplined approach based on analysis and strategy. Mindfulness techniques like deep breathing or meditation can help you stay calm and focused while trading. These techniques can help you control emotions and make rational trading decisions. I prefer short activities and short breaks every 30 minutes of trading. I recommend you to switch to active sports between trading sessions. Trading without a demo account. Beginners should practice trading on a demo account before risking real money. But some may skip this step and jump straight into live trading, leading to costly mistakes and losses. A demo account allows beginners to gain experience and knowledge of how binary options trading works without risking their money. This helps them understand the basics of trading, such as how to place trades, manage risk, and make profitable decisions. Moreover, trading on a demo account can help you as a beginner to build confidence in your trading skills and abilities. It can also help to overcome any fears or doubts about entering the world of binary options trading. Following get-rich-quick schemes. Some beginners may fall for scams or unrealistic promises of quick and easy profits in binary options trading. It's important to approach trading with a realistic mindset and understand that it takes time, effort, and skill to be successful. Lack of discipline. Beginners may struggle with sticking to their trading plan, controlling their emotions, and managing their risk effectively. This can lead to impulsive decisions and losses in the long run. The best way to train discipline is to have a trading journal. A trading journal helps you keep a detailed record of all your trades, including entry and exit points and position sizes. By maintaining a record of your trade history, you can analyze your performance over time and identify patterns in your trading behavior. By reviewing your trading journal regularly, you can evaluate the success or failure of your trades. You can identify which strategies are working well for you and which ones are not, helping you make informed decisions and how to improve your trading performance. I hope you will strictly follow my recommendations and never make the mistakes I indicated in this video. I'm sure after watching this video, most of you guys will earn from trading regularly, withdrawing fantastic profits. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel where I post very useful materials for you absolutely for free. The link you will find in the description. See you in the next videos, guys. I wish you wonderful and profitable day. Bye bye.